Welcome to my channel Quiet Rich. Turn on bell icon, like, share.
There's a fascinating truth about wealth. The richest people in the world often aren't the ones flashing luxury cars, designer labels, or big mansions on Instagram. In fact, quietly rich individuals tend to move through life with subtle cues that most people overlook. They operate with an unspoken language, a way of carrying themselves, making choices, and interacting with the world that quietly signals abundance without ever needing to say it out loud. In today's video, we're diving deep into the habits, behaviors, and mindset of quietly wealthy people. By the end, you'll not only understand this unspoken language, but you'll also know how to adopt some of these habits into your own life, regardless of where you are financially right now. Quiet confidence over loud displays. One of the first things you'll notice about truly wealthy individuals is their confidence. It's calm, not loud. They don't need to tell you about their money or prove their worth with flashy possessions. Their confidence comes from knowing they're secure, not from trying to convince others. This is why you often see quietly rich people wearing simple clothes, driving modest cars, or even blending into a crowd. They know that their value isn't tied to appearances, and that kind of quiet confidence is magnetic. Think about it, when someone is constantly trying to impress others with their spending, it usually comes from insecurity. Quiet wealth is the opposite. It's understated because it doesn't need validation. The power of listening more than speaking. Another key trait is communication. Quietly wealthy people often say less and listen more. They understand that knowledge and insight come from observing, not from constantly talking about themselves. When they're in a conversation, they're genuinely curious, asking thoughtful questions instead of dominating the discussion. This creates an aura of presence. Others feel heard and respected, and ironically, this makes the wealthy individual stand out without even trying. It's a subtle, unspoken language, influence without noise. Time is the ultimate currency. Quietly rich individuals understand that money is important, but time is priceless. They structure their lives around maximizing time freedom rather than chasing material possessions. That's why many prioritize systems, investments, and businesses that earn money without requiring constant effort. You'll rarely see them wasting hours bragging about their wealth online or obsessing over short-term trends. Instead, they invest their time wisely, into health, relationships, personal growth, and experiences that matter. Their unspoken message? Time wealth is the real wealth. Attention to detail. There's another subtle signal: attention to detail. Quietly rich people often pay attention to the little things, whether it's how they present themselves, how they speak, or even how they treat others. But it's not about extravagance, it's about refinement. Their clothes may be simple, but they're clean, well-fitted, and of high quality. Their homes may not scream luxury, but they're organized, functional, and filled with things that last. This unspoken language isn't about showing off, it's about demonstrating care and intentionality. Quiet wealth is visible not in the price tag, but in the precision. Relationships over transactions. One of the most powerful things about the quietly rich is how they treat relationships. They value genuine connections over surface-level networking. They don't walk into a room thinking, "What can I get from these people?" Instead, they ask, "How can I provide value? How can I help?" This builds trust and long-term respect, which often creates more opportunities than any quick deal ever could. The unspoken message here is clear: true wealth isn't measured just by money, but by the strength of your relationships. Minimalism in lifestyle. Another aspect of quiet wealth is minimalism, not always in the strictest sense, but in the intentional sense. Quietly rich individuals often avoid clutter, both physically and mentally. Their homes aren't filled with random purchases. Instead, everything has a purpose. Their schedules aren't crammed with meaningless obligations. They make room for what truly matters. Minimalism sends a subtle signal: I have control. I choose what I allow into my life. That control is a form of luxury most people never experience. Financial discipline behind the scenes. Here's a reality most don't see: quietly wealthy people are disciplined with money. They might not flaunt it, but behind the scenes they're consistent investors, savers, and planners. They don't chase hype, and they don't gamble their entire fortune on risky bets. Instead, they build systems that compound over time. This discipline is invisible from the outside, but it's the foundation of their wealth. While others show off temporary wins, the quietly rich are building permanent financial freedom. That's why their unspoken language says so much. They don't need to prove anything, because their financial security already speaks for itself. Humility and gratitude. A surprising part of this unspoken language is humility. Many quietly wealthy people don't consider themselves above anyone else. In fact, they often live with gratitude, acknowledging the opportunities, luck, and hard work that got them where they are. They don't flaunt their success because they recognize how fragile life can be. This humility makes them approachable, likable, and respected. It's an invisible wealth that goes beyond money. It's emotional intelligence. Health as wealth. One thing that sets the quietly rich apart is how they treat their bodies. Health is a priority. They understand that no amount of money matters if you don't have the energy to enjoy life. That's why you'll often see them exercising regularly, eating well, and investing in mental health. While others burn out chasing material goals, quietly rich individuals focus on balance. Their unspoken language here is crystal clear. Health is the first investment, and everything else comes after. Privacy and discretion. Another key trait, privacy. Quietly rich people don't broadcast every detail of their lives on social media. They may share moments, but not in a way that screams, "Look at me." Their financial moves, their personal lives, even their struggles, they keep them private. Why? Because privacy protects peace. And peace is one of the greatest luxuries money can buy. Their discretion signals that they don't need validation from the world. Their life is already fulfilling without applause. Calmness in decision making. Ever notice how some people panic at the smallest inconvenience? Quietly wealthy individuals are the opposite. They approach challenges with calm, calculated decision making. Their wealth provides security, but their mindset provides stability. This calmness becomes an unspoken language of leadership. In business, in family, in life, others naturally trust them because they don't react with fear or chaos. They move with certainty, and certainty is a rare luxury. Experiences over flashy possessions. Another subtle pattern is their preference for experiences over material things. While some chase the newest gadgets, quietly rich individuals often spend their resources on travel, learning, or unique adventures. These experiences create lasting memories, deepen relationships, and broaden perspective. The unspoken language here is profound. Life is richer when you collect moments, not just objects. Generosity without announcement. Perhaps the most beautiful part of the unspoken language of quiet wealth is generosity. Many quietly rich people give back, whether through donations, mentoring, or helping family and friends. But they don't always announce it. They don't need recognition because their fulfillment comes from impact, not applause. True generosity is quiet, and in that quietness, it speaks volumes. The contrast with loud wealth. It's important to recognize the contrast. Loud wealth is about display, designer brands, sports cars, constant posting. Quiet wealth is about presence, security, calmness, and fulfillment. Loud wealth often comes from the need to prove. Quiet wealth comes from already knowing you've won. This difference is why the unspoken language of quiet wealth is so powerful. It can't be faked for long, because it's not about what you show, it's about how you live. How you can adopt this language. So how can you start embodying this unspoken language, even if you're still building your wealth? Start by practicing financial discipline, save, invest, and avoid unnecessary debt. Focus on health, time, and relationships. Be intentional with your purchases. Value privacy and humility. Learn to listen more than you speak. And remember, confidence isn't about showing off, it's about knowing you're on the right path, even if no one else notices. Wealth is as much a mindset as it is a bank account. If you begin living with these principles now, your future wealth, financial and otherwise, will naturally follow.
Thanks for watching video.